Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we are solving leak code problems one by one. So today we are going to solve one more problem, and the problem is display the first three rows. It's a very simple problem, and it is the no, and it is very useful one. So when we work with large data, we might need to find some specific lines of data. Let's say we want to get only the first three rows or first n rows or something like that, or the last rows. So in this case, it is a very simple problem again. For the given data frame, we are going to have to display only the first three rows. So we'll see an example. So you can see the input here. This is an input. So output will be obviously the first three rows. That is, this three should be highlighted. Yeah. So how can we do this? It's a very simple again. In pandas, we can achieve this because it's already a pandas data frame. Using the data frame, we can easily call the head function, which will give us the first values. So let me just write this piece of code here. Return employees, because employees is our data frame, right? So employees dot, and we'll call the head function, and we'll give the input number of rows we need, that is three, right? So that's it. It should work fine. Let me run. As you can see, it got passed, and the result output we got is same as we expected. So that's it, very simple. So let me also give you another scenario, like what if you want to find the last three values. So to find the last three values, we'll be just changing head to tail. And if I run this, I'm going to get an error, but you can see the last three values being printed. Yeah, so it's a wrong answer, but the last three values is obviously Annabelle, Jonathan, and Khalid. So here it is. So we got Annabelle, Jonathan, Khalid. So what if we want to find, let's say that we want to find a specific area of the data frame, not the first three or the last three. Let's say we want to get it from two to four or something like that. For that, we need to use a different function. Let's use something called iloc. So locating the index. So, and we'll give a value here. Let's say if you want it from second row, and it should go to, so indexes will start from 0 1. So if you want a second row, we are going to put it actually 1, and if you wanted to go until the fourth row, we will put the 3 here. So that will be 1 2 3. That is, we are printing from 2 to 4. Okay, let me run this again. Okay, wrong answer because it's not the output. But yeah, you got it actually, 90 comma 9, as you can see, 1 2 3, right? Sorry. So yeah, we are 0 1 2 3. So this will be the 0 actually, 1 2 3. So that's it, guys. So I hope this will be useful. You can play it around using some data frame, and let me know if you have any doubts in this. Thank you. Let's see in another video. Bye bye.